Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you, and I'm on a construction site today, and we're going to be building a retaining wall at this brand new assisted living center. I'm with the crew. What's up, guys? But yeah, it's our first day. We're getting ready to mark everything out. We're going to be building a couple of retaining walls. So yeah, I'll be sure to get some good footage for you guys, and that starts right now.
I know nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows, but through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane. I feel we got so far in the game, now everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We're crashing like a plane, and they say no rainbow if no rain, no rainbow if no rain, no rainbow if no so far in the game, now everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We're crashing like a plane. This is such a scary place to be. We know we are for life, you see. There's nothing left to do, although no rainbow without you. We're crashing like a plane. No, it's gonna die if we keep holding tight. We're crashing like, let it fall now. Let that rain fall down. Let it go now. Let it fall down. Let that rain fall down. Let it go now.
it's all screwed up. There's really no other way to put it. Basically, what's happening is we found out that the surveyors who surveyed this project, they gave our bottom of wall measurements off the civil drawings when they should have given it off the architectural drawings. So we thought our bottom of wall, well, it's actually finished grade. So now we gotta dig 3 feet down to get to where we need to be for our base. And the surveyors aren't going to be here till I don't even know when to fix this. So now we got to pull off the job. We have to pull out of the wall. I'll show you. We have to pull out the wall. So yeah, so now we're, I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see where we are tomorrow. I don't know. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.